excited to have him come home. He is going to be such a different dog. He's already a different dog. Coming into the program, Mufasa was lunging at people on the street or who went by our house, trying to attack other dogs. He didn't like people coming into our house. He was quite aggressive. Reactivity. Now we just walked past a bunch of dogs outside and he didn't even care. He was laying down with them, barking behind him, which I never could imagine this dog would react like that by doing nothing. It's just such a difference. Now I'm going to be